Greetings from the WordToSite team. Today, we will review our platform, what it does, who it was created for, and demonstrate how it works. The platform allows you to describe your websites, and based on the description, it picks the right design, spins up WordPress, installs the theme, creates pages, and fills them in with the content. Everything is managed via one dashboard, where you can see the AI usage per site, 100% transparent billing, create new sites, choose the right design, publish the website, generate content, and receive a ready-to-ship WordPress site in minutes. The platform offers plenty of beautiful pre-made designs, powerful functionality, a free content library, and more. On the landing page, you can check all the magic features the platform provides, compare WordToSite to alternative providers, check pricing options, and see the visualization. For now, let's try it out. When you click Launch App, it prompts you to create an account. I already have an account, so if I click it, I will be headed directly to the dashboard. We have a navigation bar on the left side and the main screen on the right. The first screen is always to create a new site. Let's create a site for a cafe, Adamo. Industry, cafe. Services, AI already has some suggestions. We can choose them, type in, or we can use the voice input. Let's pick some suggestions from AI. Next, about our business. Again, we have some suggestions from AI based on our previous input. But this time, let's use the voice input, as I want to be specific, but do not want to type. Cafe Adamo is located in the historic center of Rome. Our shop operates as a contemporary bar, gelateria, and pastry laboratory, serving guests from breakfast through late-night drinks. What we cook and serve: brioche, granita, crema latte, ice cream, pastries, and cakes. Great, the transcript is perfect. Let's click Continue. Here we can add our business address, which will be added to our site. I will add a random address. About our team and what makes you different, to save time, I will just ask AI to generate based on our previous inputs. Excellent, the text is good. Let's continue. Now AI picks suitable designs for our cafe. On the top, we can see our inputs, and below, we have AI design suggestions. It even shows you the match percentage. We can preview the demo of the design before we choose it. The coffee shop is nice. The bakery is also good, but it would fit better in a pastry shop. The coffee demo looks exactly like what we need. So let's go with the coffee demo. We can also see all the available designs. There are literally hundreds of them. At the top, we have a search field that helps to find the design by keyword. We are good with a coffee demo, and we can proceed with publishing our website. First, the system creates a WordPress site on our server. Then it installs the theme, plugins, the design we chose, and the default theme's content. It may take up to 60 seconds, so let's wait. Good. Our WordPress website was created. We have our site link on the subdomain. At the top, we can see that AI checked that the site is live. We can now open the admin panel, view the site, run the AI wizard, or go back. Below, we can also copy our site credentials. The blue button is a quick login link. But we will go back to our sites. As you can see now in our sites menu, we have one site, Cafe Adamo. If we go to our billing, we can see that I have a pro account and I have 1 out of 5 active websites. We can also see here AI usage and my payments. Let's go to our sites and run the AI wizard. As you can see now, we are inside our website, and we can run the AI content wizard. It warns us that it will start from the step 1, which is good for us as we have just started. On the first step, we can change our site's language, title, tagline, logo, etc. We will just keep everything as is. Next, we can edit the site's administrator profile. And again, let's skip it for now. On the third step, we can see that AI already knows a lot about us. Let's only add some history. I will again use the voice input as I do not want to type. We were established in 2000 in Modica, Ragusa, in Sicily, but then we moved to Rome in 2010. Now we have been successful here for 16 years. Good. Next, we can add or remove our services. We can also add or remove our team members. I will not be adding them for now. And the final screen, content generation. The first section is text generation based on our inputs. Below, we can see the progress log. Simultaneously, we can run the second section, image generation. It will generate images based on our industry and on the design we chose. And the third section is the blog post generation. We can choose the number of posts we want to generate and also run them in parallel. So we have 3 processes that you can run consecutively or simultaneously. Now we can see the progress log for images. It may take some time for the AI wizard to generate all the pages, texts, images, and posts. By the way, texts are ready, and 2 blog posts are also ready. Good, the image generation is finished too. All 3 sections are green, and we can click Finish. It returned us to our admin panel. We can go to the front end using the WordPress tools or click View Site in the AI Setup wizard. Perfect. The site looks almost ready to ship. All the texts are correct and consistent based on our inputs. All the images are beautiful and relevant to our business. Whether you create a website for yourself or for your customer, with quite a few touches, this can become a real website. In the bottom right corner, you can find the AI assistant, which is a part of the setup wizard. When you are done with the site, just deactivate the wizard. Besides controlling your site right through the chat interface, you can go to the wizard settings, show and hide your WordPress top bar. The first click will hide the top bar, and second click will show it again. Here you can also open the page in Elementor. The platform fully supports Flexbox containers, grids, atomic widgets, and even legacy sections from Elementor. Everything is editable, plus it gives you more than 500 pre-made blocks for each design to build your perfect page. We can publish the changes and return to our WordPress dashboard. In the Theme panel, Theme Dashboard, we can see that our theme is successfully activated. In the Add-ons tab, we can manage our add-ons. In the Skins tab, we can change our design if we want to. In the Plugins tab, we can manage our recommended plugins. And Demo Content in the Demo tab. Let's go back to the WordToSite platform. As it was mentioned before in the Sites menu, we can see our sites, visit them, run wizards, make a buyout, or delete the site to free up our slots. When you are happy with your website and want it to go live, you can switch it from a subdomain to a main domain that you will choose and host it on the WordToSite platform. Or you can buy out the website and host it elsewhere. You just need to provide your new domain address, and the system will walk you through the simple migration process. In this quick review, we will not go through the buyout or hosting process. It will be shown in our next videos. By clicking on New Site, we can add as many sites as we need. They will be shown in our Sites menu. And again, we can provide content about our company to AI via text, by voice, or ask AI to generate it for us. Our current plans provide you with 1 slot for a free account, 5 slots for Pro, and 20 slots for Business. In the Billing tab, you can see all your expenses, including plans, overuse, and buyouts. And at the end, let's talk about the pricing. For pro users, 5 slots means that 5 simultaneous sites are included in your pack. It means that you can create sites, delete them, and possibly you will have 15 or 20 sites within a month. The slots above the 5th will be billed additionally, 40 cents per day. It means that if you have 7 busy slots 10 days in a row, it will have just an $8 additional charge at the end of your billing cycle. And a similar story about the business account. 20 slots are provided by the package, but additional slots will cost a bit less, 30 cents per day. $6 for 2 extra slots for 10 days, which is fairly cheap. As you can see, you pay only for what you actually use. We hope this video was helpful. We recommend starting with a free account and testing the platform. No credit card is required. Please make sure to subscribe for more useful videos. See you soon.